Good morning, students. Now, welcome to today's maths class. Students, on the previous class, I am telling to you a pair of linear equation, two variable chapter. And in this chapter, I am telling to you the four methods of solving of the equation. First method is graphical method. Second is substitution method. Third is elimination method. And fourth is cross multiplication method. On the previous class, students, I am telling to you graphical method. How can you solve the equation by the graphical method? And today I am telling to you other three processes by which you solve and find the value of x and y. Got it, students? So in three methods, you see that I am taking two equations common on both, common on every method. That means the solution of the equation or do any method, answer is same, only pattern is different. Okay? So how can do the substitution method? Student, substitution method, any equation you drive, find value 1. Find the value of x or y. So from first equation we find the value of x equals to y 5 and minus y. Put this equation, put this value in equation second. 2 bracket 5 minus y minus 3y and equals to 4. Multiplied it. So 10 minus 2y minus 3y and equals to 4. You see that minus 2y and minus 3y, so comes to minus 5y. And 4 can transfer the other side is minus 10. So minus 5y equals to minus 6. Minus minus are cancelled, then y value is 6 by 5. Okay, that is the find the value of y. Now put the value of y in equation. First also, x equals 5 minus 6 upon 5. Put the value of y. Then after we take the LCM 5. So 25 and minus 6 then equals to 19 upon 5. So the value of x is 19 upon 5. Understood, students? Any problem? That is the substitution method. By substitution method, you solve both equations, find the value of x and y. Second one, elimination method. How can you solve the elimination method, students? In elimination method, it is compulsory that one step is equal, or x is equal, or y is equal, as you want. You see in there x and here 2x, here is y, here is 3y. So how can we equalize this step? So we multiplied anything when we multiply or divide in equation. So in equation first multiplied by 3. Why we are multiplied by 3? Because here is 3y and here is y. So we want to the equal steps multiplied by 3. Equation first multiplied by 3. So 3x plus 3y equals to 50. That is equation third. Why it is called equation third? Because the first equation changed. And second equation 2x minus 3y is equals to 4. After that we are seeing the equal step. Equal step are same sign or opposite sign. Where have the opposite sign? So we write addition. So we write addition. If equal step are same sign, so we write subtraction. Addition, we add both equations. So 3y plus positive 3y and negative 3y are cancelled. 3, 2, 5, x, 15 and 4, 19. Then x equals to 19 upon 4. Understood, students? That is the value of x. And value of x put in any equation, r equation second, r in equation first, and find the value of y. So we put the value in equation first. So x plus y is equals to 5. Then 19 upon 5 is equals to 19 upon 5 plus y is equals to 5. Then y equals to 5 minus 19 upon 5. You take LCM and y equals to 25 minus 19. That means 6 upon 5. Okay, students? Can you understand both methods? Okay. Now I am explaining the third method, that is cross multiplication method. How can you do the cross multiplication method? Students, at first you transfer the outer value in one side, that means constant step also in one side and equals to 0. 2x minus 3y minus 4 and equals to 0. Right? Now we are compare the basic equation. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 and equals to 0. You see that the value of a1 1, value of b1 1 and the value of c1 minus 5, same as the value of a2 2, value of b2 minus 3 and the value of c2 is minus 4. At first you find the coefficient of both equations, then after we put buck B, C, A, B. That is the buck. Put the value B1 and B2, C1 and C2, A1 and A2. Again, this step is repeat. So first of all, we put x upon, multiplied this, so 4 1 is 4, minus 4, and minus is always here, minus 3 minus 5, plus 15, but put in there, minus 15, because minus is always in here, x upon minus 4 and minus 15 equals y upon 5 2s are 10 minus 10, minus is always put in there, then 4 1s are 4 minus 4 and when you plot in there, so plus 4 equals 1 upon 3 1s are 3 minus 3, minus always here, 2 1s are 2. Got it, students? Then after x upon minus 19, right, equals y upon minus 6 and equals 1 upon minus 5. There are the 3 steps, so each algebraic steps equal with constant value step. Like as x upon minus 19 is equals to 1 upon minus 5. Right? So x equals to minus 19 goes to upside, then multiply and minus 5, minus minus cancel, x equals to 19 upon 5. And second value, y upon minus 6 is equals to 1 upon minus 5. Minus 6 is divide form, so go to the multiplication form. Then y equals minus 6 upon minus 5, minus minus cancel, and the value of y is 6 upon 5. Students, you noted one thing, value of x and y same in every solution. That means when we are solve any equation, any method, but if equations are same, then answers are. So you understood these three process of pair of linear equation in two variables. And according to this, your all formats are completed. Only one sub format, that is called a reducing process, I am telling on next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.